So anyway, here we are, and we are at the Seam Retreat, and we've just had too much fun.
And I'm going to tell you, Catherine, I have heard raving reviews about your class.
They are raving.
They're
raving.
They're raving.
Raving crazy.
They
Yeah.
are. Everyone has absolutely loved their projects. They have learned so much from you. And rumor has it, you're going to be at one of our shows next year.
I'm going to be at two, but the one we're going to talk about is Hartford, Connecticut.
Yes.
And I've been to Hartford before, so I'm excited to come back with AQS.
Yes, it's going to be fabulous.
It is, and you have booked me to teach lots of different classes, haven't you?
Yes, can you tell me about some of the ones you're going to teach?
Well, I am teaching my walking foot quilting class because that's always fun. And of course, everybody will go home with a completed spiral.
And that's what we love.
And they love doing that. So we'll do that. We'll do lots of other things, lots of tips and tricks. And then I am teaching beading on fabric.
Amazing.
So we want to do beading so that the beads don't fall off.
That sounds very interesting, and I would love to do that because I have no idea how you make beads stay on a piece of fabric.
Okay, well, you got to use the right thread.
Okay. It's all in the
Okay,
thread.
and then I'm doing a lunchtime lecture. So that means everybody comes to lunch and they listen to me talk. What could be better?
Sounds like a blast.
And that is my trip around the world talk. So there's even prizes.
Oh, love.
Everybody loves a prize.
Yes, absolutely.
And then I'm doing, dimensional embroidery. That's the fancy embroidery stitches.
Yes.
And then, last but not least, and maybe even first, I'm doing the button classes.
And those are your top selling. I mean,
it's crazy, isn't
it? In like 10 minutes. In
I know. So if you want to do buttons in Hartford, you need to be on that computer. So those, look at those. Those are shirt lace buttons. Okay, so they date back to the early 1900s in Germany and Austria. Okay, and then these ones have a history going back 400 years. These are those traditional Dorset buttons. That's a Blandford cartwheel originating in the county of Dorset in England, and with a history. So you'll be joining the history of buttoneers making buttons.
Yes.
So I know I'm going to have fun, and I hope that I will make lots of new friends, maybe meet some old friends, and we'll have a good time. And it'll always be good to see you.
Absolutely. I'll be there with bells and whistles. I can't hardly wait.
Neither can I.
Yeah, New England's, it's our first time there. It's going to be a blast.
It will be.
I'm super excited. Well, I can't wait to see your classes fill up and sell out. And I can't wait to see everyone's finished projects.
Finished projects. Finished projects, way to go.
It is. It's going to be fabulous.
Yep.